In this video I'm looking at fixed forms, what Fanuc call fixed forms in Guide I. Now this is a very quick way of creating programs because you've got like these templates that you can put into your program. So anything that you use on a regular basis you can put into these templates or fixed forms, whatever you want to call them, and then enter each one into your program as and when you need it. So let's just start by having a look at what this actually means. So if you look at this button that says start, on that start I've got these different fixed forms which I can use. So effectively if I just cursor down that, if I cursor down this, these are the different fixed forms I've got, and each one's got a name and each one's got a load of code behind it. So the idea is you pick up that code and then just edit it to whatever you want it to be. So for example, that where it says start program, I could just insert that into my program and start using it. And then I've got one for tool chains, I've got one for drilling, one for peck drilling. You can have any number of these and whatever you want them to be, and you store them. So I'm going to show you first of all how you can use them, and then I'm going to show you how you edit them and do stuff like that. Just cancel that for now. So I'm going to just go for a new program. I'll just skip by that. New program, and I'll call it fix form. No, I'm going to put that. I'll put fix test form like that, and I'll create that. So that's creating my program. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to just stick one of these templates in there. So this first one here, start, is what I use to start a program. So I insert that in there, and that gives me my start of the program. And what I've got here, I've got my blank shape there, so I can fill all that in. I can either fill it in by going into that blank shape and looking, and I've got all my sort of startup commands and stuff, taking my spindle up in the air. So that's all ready for me to start doing some work. And I could, obviously I'd modify that blank to suit whatever I was making at the time. And then I'm going to say, I'm going to call this drill. So what I've done with mine, hang on, I've got a cursor down to that drill. What I've done with mine is I've got the tools in and everything. So when I do that there, all I need to do now with that, if I go up a bit, is just change the end number. So say it was tool 1 instead of tool 20, I'm just going to go 1 and then press alter. So I'm going to go 1, alter, same there, 1 and alter, and then I'd come down here, I'd change my position, wherever I'm going to start might be 0. Don't forget you don't need to put the address in here, all you put is the number 0. That's one of the great things on Guide I, you just put the number. Same with this speed, I can change that to 1200, another 0 there, alter, that's done that. And then I've got my can cycle, so I can switch that around, put a different depth, put different positions in there, and that's done my drilling. Now when I get to the end of my program, I can just put this end program in, and you'll have different things that you want to put in, insert that, and now I've got the end of the program, and that's all ready, that will run. So it's dead quick to just create a program. I think it's brilliant.